No, I'm cool.
Huh?
I'm cool. Mom's not hungry. She's eating my brownies.
I wanted to get on 95.7, pull up the Hot Moms deal.
The Hot Moms
Yeah,
deal?
the contest. Hot Moms. That's what I was looking for a while.
Oh, okay.
And I didn't know how to find
I
it.
didn't realize.
Will.
Okay. I'm not clicking on any. I'm just trying to get out of it.
Yeah, I gotta be getting hungry. Let's just go out to the thing now. It's just like the I think that's the wettest. Mom, you have long sleeves on. You wanna put a short sleeve shirt on? Mama, we're gonna be outside for a little while.
What? Can we
How do you?
Can we what?
turn the volume up on this? I
Oh yeah.
Is that
Oh,
what I think it is?
something was on there, right?
What is it?
can't. What?
Oh wow, it's a giant roach.
Oh my God! That was on the remote!
Shut up, Dawn. Where'd that dude come from?
God, get it out of here!
This thing is huge.
Where did that come from, Will? It was on our table.
Oh, Bubby, did you put that? Is it real?
No.
Oh.
It's a beetle, dude.
A beetle?
Oh.
It's a beetle.
Oh my God! Is it real?
It's a beetle.
Where'd you
Is
get
it
it from
real?
outside?
Yeah, it's sitting on top of the ice machine. We got the ice.
Oh, no. You
Wait a
brought it all the way from the
Let me see
house,
it.
Bubby.
Let me see
That's
it.
why you wanted to turn
Is
it
it
on.
alive?
No, it's dead. It's a brownie.
I want to see what it looks like. Can I just see it? Is it real?
Yeah, it's
Don't put